Hey guys, welcome back. Today again, we're going to be cashing out from Catize VIP. So Catize VIP is actually a site where you earn yourself some CAT tokens and you convert them to USDT. So I have $23 in USDT and I also have 139,000 CAT tokens. So we can just go ahead and swap it to USDT. But before that, we just have to click on mine. As we click on mine, I've been able to mine another 12,000 coins. So we're just going to click on claim profit, confirm, and you see it is done now. We can just go back. This is my new cat balance, which is 152,000, equivalent to about $15 or so. So we click on this convert button. We are converting all my cat to USDT. That's over $15. So we click on the confirm button right here. As we click on the confirm button right here, it is swapping it to USDT right now. So as we click on confirm, okay, it is done already. So we go back, it is making my USDT balance about $38. All right, so now we go ahead and click on the withdraw button. We choose USDT for this withdrawal. We're going to be cashing out USDT, which is about $38. All right, so minimum withdrawal here is $1. Okay, we just click on all. So before we withdraw the money, let's go to my wallet right away. I have just $2,019 in my account. So we'll just go back and hit the confirm button to withdraw the cash to my wallet. Withdraw success according to them. So now we are just heading on to my trust wallet. We'll just refresh wallet and you see their payment is still automatic. This is my new balance, which is $2,058.63, which is what I just got right now from the site. This is the payment of $38 that I received from the platform this morning, showing you that it is 100% legit, active and paying. So if you have not yet signed up, check out the link in this video's description box to sign up. Okay, so that is it. After sign up, just click on upgrade. As you click on upgrade, take a look at their investment plans. They have a whole lot of them. They have the V1, they have the accelerator V1. You get it with $10. You'll be receiving 12,000 CAT every single day forever. So 12,000 CAT is equivalent to $1.2. Okay, they have the V2. You get it with $40 while you make 50,000 CAT equivalent to $5 every day forever. They have the V3. You get this V3 with a deposit of $140. You make 180,000 CAT every single day forever. That is equivalent to $18. Okay, they have the V4. You get it with a deposit of $490. You're going to make 650,000 CAT token every single day forever. That's equivalent to $65. They have the V5. You get it with $1,490. You're going to make 2.1 million CAT token every single day forever. So 2.1 million CAT is equivalent to $210. They have the V6. You get it with a deposit of $2,990. You're going to make 4.5 million CAT token every single day forever. So 4.5 million CAT is equivalent to $450. They have the V7, which you can get with $5,990. You're going to receive 9.6 million CAT every single day forever. So 9.6 million CAT is equivalent to $960. They have the V8. You get it with $11,000. You're going to make 20,400,000 CAT token. That's equivalent to $2,000 every single day forever. They have the V9 and V9.0. So to deposit, just come over here and click on recharge. As you click on recharge, you choose the coin that you want to pay with. You can pay using USDT and TRX. So choose the cryptocurrency, copy out the wallet address they give you and deposit. After that, come back and click on recharge completed. Okay, then refresh your account after 2 minutes. You will see the deposit in your account immediately. Now, for you to start earning, all you have to do here is you just have to click on this button that says upgrade after you have deposited. Now you come and click on buy it now under the one that you just deposited for. After buying it now, it is going to start mining for you. As you can see, it is mining here and it takes 24 hours to complete each mine. So every 24 hours, come over here, click on collect it. Then come over here, convert the CAT to USDT. After converting it, click on confirm, then you go and withdraw your money. That is all you have to do here every day. So that is it for this video. You can also click on invite friends. You invite your friends, you're going to make more money. Okay, you're going to be receiving 10% on what your level 1 deposit, 2% on level 2, and 1% on level 3. So invite your friends to earn more cash. When investing, please invest at your own risk. Do your own research, invest what you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial expert. I'm also not a financial advisor. So that should be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.